stop whatever you're doing and pay attention, because the footage you're about to witness isn't just a video feed. It's the opening chapter of an aerial revolution. For years, achieving genuine cinematic quality from a drone meant accepting massive trade-offs, prohibitive costs, complicated flight mechanics, or a heavy equipment payload that was a logistical nightmare. That struggle is finally obsolete. This is the asterisk DJI Neo 2. And for the next 30 minutes, we're not just flying it. We're subjecting its potent 4K camera system to an intensive, real-world cinematic stress test, a gauntlet designed to utterly redefine your expectations of what a compact drone can accomplish. Subscribe for more informative videos, as I work hard to gather useful information for you. In return, you just hit the bell icon button asterisk to join our community. If you've ever harbored the dream of capturing the world around you with the scope and polish of a Hollywood blockbuster, but with the uncomplicated ease of simply taking a selfie, then you are in the right place. Watch now as we execute a dramatic reveal, an impeccable orbital track, and a smoothly rising helix, all while the Neo 2's intelligent systems keep our subject perfectly centered and beautifully framed. Observe the sequence of master shots. Notice how clean, professional, and frankly effortless they appear. In the not-so-distant past, moves of this caliber demanded hours of focused practice and the absolute pinnacle of manual flight control skills. Now, they are distilled into a few seconds of quick setup and a single button press. This doesn't just assist a pilot. It instantly transforms a novice flyer into a seasoned aerial director. These features are far more than just cool tricks. They are essential narrative tools, the kind of creative power that makes your audience lean in and instinctively wonder, how on earth did they get that shot? And let's not overlook the sublime convenience of both gesture control and palm-based takeoff. The drone is ready precisely when you are, with no frustrating fumbling or technical delays, delivering instant, seamless cinema. The next challenge, as the light begins to fade and the music shifts to a more mellow, emotional tone, is arguably the most demanding. If a camera can handle the harsh contrast of midday sun, its true mettle is tested in the dying light. The golden hour, then the blue hour. These are the most technically challenging, yet most rewarding times to shoot, the moments where lesser, smaller sensors inevitably collapse into a mess of digital noise and washed-out colors. Look closely at this breathtaking slow-motion sunset shot, showcasing the delicate grading of colors and the deep, inky richness of the shadows. Notice the exceptional color fidelity, the subtle warmth of the oranges, the soft whisper of pinks, and the profound indigo of the darkening sky, all rendered with professional-grade depth. The advanced f/2.2 aperture, brilliantly coupled with the all-new image processor, ensures that the Neo 2's low-light performance is nothing short of exceptional. Now we move into the ultimate trial, the night. Behold this stunning 4K night footage, featuring the vibrant tapestry of city lights and the crisp silhouette of a lit-up landmark. This is the ultimate assessment of both noise reduction capability and pure stability. You can see the clean, defined lines of the urban lights and the remarkable minimal grain in the dark expanses of the sky. The dual-axis mechanical gimbal and the advanced digital stabilization work in perfect, silent harmony, delivering a shot that is rock-solid and utterly professional. This means your high-energy travel vlogs, your spontaneous city adventures, and all your late-night memories are now captured with a clean, cinematic aesthetic that will instantly elevate your content above the crowd. You are no longer tethered by the dictates of the sun. Returning to a high-impact edit of the best cinematic moments from our last 30 minutes, we conclude this deep dive. We began this journey with a confident promise that the DJI Neo 2 was capable of redefining what cinematic capture means for a compact drone. And now, you have witnessed the undeniable proof. This revolution is about much more than just a raw 4K resolution. It's about the expansive dynamic range that meticulously holds every highlight and every shadow detail. It's about the intelligent tracking that effortlessly turns a solitary outdoor adventure into a perfectly choreographed multi-shot scene. It's about the smart modes that put Hollywood-level camera movements right into your pocket. Ultimately, it's about giving you the choice between simply recording your life and cinematizing it. The footage produced by the Neo 2 doesn't just look good on a phone screen. It holds up beautifully and professionally on a massive 4K display. It possesses the authentic look, the professional feel, and the very soul of truly cinematic content. If you are a dedicated traveler, a passionate vlogger, a professional creator, or simply someone who believes their life stories deserve to be captured with the best quality possible, the era of compromise is definitively over. The stunning aerial perspective you've always coveted is now easily within your grasp. The sky is waiting, and the DJI Neo 2 is the indispensable key to unlocking your next epic shot. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.